From Mandera, let's go to Kajiado, where herders there have expressed concern over the Ipomea plant, which is spreading fast in the grazing grounds. According to the herders, the plant is not only toxic to the animals and humans, but also prevents the growth of grass once it takes root. The herders have now been forced to migrate to other areas in search of pasture.
Oleameleteti, or morning glory, whose scientific name is Ipomea, is toxic to animals because of its high alkaline nature. It is no wonder herders in Kajiado are concerned by the wild growth of the plant in the grazing grounds. They say grass has also stopped growing because of the plant. The risks do not end there. Once this plant flowers, bees collect nectar, and the herders are worried the honey could also be contaminated.
Hii kitu hakuna kitu kingine kinakula isipokuwa mzee kobe. Sasa hata wakati tunalima mashamba zetu hii kitu inatuletea mzee kobe anakula maharagwe.
It is said that the only means to control the dangerous plant is by uprooting and fencing off their land.
Tunasaidiwa na watoto saa hii kungoa, lakini vile unangoa kama kwangu saa hii vile nilingoa, saa hii mvua imenyesha nyingi, hakuku hata moja, imejaa sasa kabisa, imeanza kutoa hii maua, sasa hata tunaanza tu kuikata ikiwa na maua.
In the next 5 years, it is estimated that the plant will have spread to more than 3 million acres of land, which is likely to endanger the pastoralist way of life. Halima Gongo, NTV.